welcome back to another episode of Daily Driving Tech, where today we are at US Auto, a U-Pull yard in Sterling Heights, Michigan. So, one thing I already noticed that's different is, I don't know if it's because it's a Sunday, but it's only $1 to get on this yard. This is not, they claim to be the biggest yard in Michigan. This is definitely not the biggest yard I've been in, but so far we're looking pretty decent. A 1985 AMC Alliance, chilling at a Michigan junkyard. Renault. Look at the boot. How many miles? Can we see? 144,000 miles. Wow. That's cool. Alright, seen some pretty interesting things out here, but I figured I'd do a little B-roll of just what we got. Another caddy. This one caught my eye earlier. Firebird. Man, Pontiac was such a beast division of General Motors. 1995. Pontiac Firebird. Let's see what we got for mileage. 97,000 original miles. This thing probably had a lot of life left at some point. Let's see. Can we tell what motor we rocking with here? Ooh. 3.4 liter. This is a Benz. Let's see if I'm right. Wow. Mercedes 280 SE. Beam Baladen. Refund Druck Knock. 1978 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE. That looks like real wood grain. .5 liter inline 6. Like BMWs are just so cool. .1988 7 Series 735i. Big boy. Ah. 5 Series BMW 1988. Iconic cars. Maybe one day I can actually afford some of these cars instead of looking at them in a junkyard, but so cool. Another one, couldn't help it. 1978 Fiat X19. I have no idea what that is. Bertone. I'm sure somebody in the comments will let me know real quick for the disrespect. It was 60,000 miles, possibly. 60,000 miles. Wow. Look at the tag. And how tiny this car is. Boot in the front, engine in the rear. So I had to show this because this is the first time I've ever seen something like this at a salvage yard, man. But the ambulances. And it's like, hopefully these companies aren't coming to junkyards to get parts to throw in a vehicle that we need to depend on for our lives. How many dead bodies have been transported in this thing? Like, that's spooky, man. Y'all gotta die at some point. 911 emergency.